US weather report. Snow, storm and severe weather threats. Hey everyone, welcome back. I am Hena Talati with your US weather updates. A powerful and active weather pattern is unfolding across the country, bringing heavy snow, severe storms, tornado risks and flash flooding threats from southern plains all the way into the Midwest and beyond. Let's take a close look at what's coming and how it may affect your area. A pair of cross-country storm systems is organizing over the United States and will continue to bring significant winter weather over the next couple of days. One of the most notable impacts, especially heading into the weekend, is heavy snow moving eastwards across the southern plains and into the Midwest. Winter weather alerts are already in effect in the states like Michigan and Wisconsin, where the forecasters expect snow accumulations exceeding a foot in some areas as a storm unfolds. Snow isn't light flurries, it's snow with a depth, meaning slippery roads, reduced visibility and travel hazards are likely, especially later in the week and into the weekend. As these systems push east, the southern United States is facing another dangerous weather situation beyond snow. That is, a strong cold front tied to the storm complex is driving a line of powerful thunderstorms across the parts of the deep south, including Mississippi, where the radar-confirmed tornadoes have already been reported. This severe weather threat is not isolated. A line of storms stretches across the broad region and continues to shift eastward. Millions of the people in the states from Louisiana into the western Tennessee and beyond are under heightened alerts. And thanks for tuning. And if you found this weather update helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell so you never miss the forecast. Stay safe out there and I'll see you in the next weather report. Thank you.